So let's talk about price and value and what the differences are with gold and silver. So before I start, I want to say this is the last day. I'm going to pick later on tonight to enter the 500 subscriber giveaway. A lot of fun pieces in the box here. Mill stacks around. A lot of other fun pieces too. Reverse privy maple. So go enter that. Link is on the screen somewhere. And yeah, so I want to start off talking about the price. We also have mail, but I'll get to that after I do this. So the price of something with gold and silver, I'll stick to that because I'm a stacking channel. But the price of gold and silver, we all know that that's what you have to pay to get gold and silver. It's the understood price, how many dollars you're gonna need to exchange, what's to be expected when buying it. And that kind of sums up price. It's pretty simple. It's just the price tag, what they expect to receive when you buy it. And the price could be in anything. It could be in chickens, it could be in dollars, it could be in gold and silver even. That kind of sums up the price side of everything. It's pretty straightforward. And value of something like gold or silver is not what you're paying for it, but what it can pay you. So if you're speculating with silver, or if you're trying to get buying silver, the real value of that, if you're a Tesla or something, you need it to get a car. You need it to make the batteries and everything like that. You need silver solder for certain connections. There's a lot of silver used in those cars. So the value is really not at all anything to do with the price, what you pay to get something. It's what it can pay you from just buying it. That would be the real value of gold and silver. The value of silver is pretty undervalued right now, because think about all the uses, everything that you get from silver, and then you think about the derivatives market and everything, and how that makes it so the amount of physical silver that is actually in the world is being used for such a small amount, is being used to invest with and store wealth. The vast majority of it is industrial. That's a big part of all this manipulation and everything that I'm seeing right now. It's making me kind of see silver as not money. Although I think it could all this stuff could go away and it could easily become money again. But I just think it's temporarily not money. And I think it will be deemed money again at some point. I can't see all this paper, all this digital nothings essentially. I don't really see that as actually having any value. I can't see digits on a screen giving me any actual value. So I take some of those digits on the screen and I move it into gold and silver, which have value to store my wealth. Silver is a lot more speculative. It's not really the point of storing wealth for silver. It's really to speculate, to plan on selling it and moving into gold at some point. Gold is my long-term store of wealth. I plan on buying gold for quite a while, basically my entire life. And yeah, I've got a lot of stacking left to go with gold. But I do see it as gold. There's something very unique about gold. People could say, oh well, silver has more uses and everything. There is nothing that is... Gold is the only asset to me that can store your wealth, and there's something extremely valuable in being able to store wealth and not have these crazy highs and lows like you see with all these other assets. But it's just a dog on a walk with inflation. It's just kind of going with inflation. that's kind of the way I see it. And that is where the real value of gold is, being able to store your wealth. That to me is the value. Silver, the value of silver is industrial, at least to me. But that makes me extremely bullish on silver. I might not be stacking a whole lot. I haven't really bought any silver since the craziness. But I am going to go to my LCS, grab something for the $10 a week challenge. And it's probably going to be silver, but who knows, we'll see when I get there. That kind of sums up the difference between price and value on any asset, because it applies to any asset. And before I go and enter the mail, or open up the mail here, enter the 500 subscriber giveaway, because there is quite a few fun pieces in that and you do not want to miss out. Okay, so we have Cheshire Keith, who sent me a sticker and there's another envelope here, so I'm pretty eager to open that. But on the back of the sticker, there is 4 out of 100. So, yeah, it says, "Brother, thanks for your friendship and all the support you have shown me. Cheshire Keith, thanks for all the support you've shown me." So, thank you so much, Cheshire Keith. You show everyone so much support in the community. You're a pretty good friend of mine. I really appreciate everything. You've been a great friend since the day I've basically met you here on YouTube, and the amount of support you've shown me is phenomenal. The amount of kindness you've been showing everyone and support you've been showing everyone is just phenomenal. So Cheshire Keith is a great person, great channel too, and he had some issues getting to the LCS and everything like that, so he changed up the $10 a week challenge, made a $15 a week challenge, and kind of shown how you could adapt the challenge to suit whatever your situation is. It doesn't need to be exactly that $10. It's basically just a way to keep stacking, and even if you're buying a little amount at a time, it's still going to add up over time. So, now right off the bat I have to say thank you. So that'd be a 1964, and I'm not exactly sure what the other one is. I'll read the letter, then I'll get into that. But it says, "Mills. Brother, you have been one of my biggest supporters from the start. I appreciate the friendship. Here's a small gift of appreciation. Thanks for everything. Cheshire Keith." So, yeah, I could say the exact same thing right back to you. Did I never imagine that I'd meet people like you or all these great people here on YouTube. I really didn't think that I'd be getting into that when I first started, but I think it's awesome, because before I started my channel I really didn't know anything about the community here on YouTube, but I'm happy I started and joined the community. So I'll show you the coins now. Okay, so we got a 64, and look at that shine, look at that luster. It's still nice. And yeah, I don't think I have any silver Kennedys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And yeah, just look at that shine. That is fantastic. Keith, thank you so much. I really need to say that once again. Thanks not so much just for the coins, but thanks for everything. You are genuinely a fantastic person and a phenomenal friend to many people here on YouTube in the community here. I really can't thank you enough for everything you've done to help support the channel. Everything you've done to help support everyone in the community. So, yeah, if you haven't subscribed to Cheshire Keith, you guys all are missing out. He's doing a giveaway right now, also as 250 subscriber giveaway, And you guys really want to enter that before it's too late. It's about to be over. And yeah, it sums it all up though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks.